Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best D3100 Accessories is probably one of the most popular entry-level DSLRs, and it's a great camera for beginners. But to really get the most out of your Nikon D3100, you'll need some accessories. From extra batteries and memory cards to lenses and tripods, the right gear can significantly improve your photos and make your shooting experience more enjoyable. So, let's dive into some essential accessories that will take your photography to the next level. Number 5. Altura Photo 52mm Wide-Angle Lens. This wide-angle lens easily screws onto your existing lens. It instantly broadens your field of view, perfect for capturing stunning wide-angle shots. The lens features a detachable macro lens. This allows you to capture incredibly detailed close-up shots of small objects with exceptional clarity. It is compatible with many popular 52mm lens models. These include lenses from Nikon, Canon, and other brands. This lens works with a wide range of Nikon DSLR cameras. It is also compatible with Canon EOS M series mirrorless cameras. Before ordering, please verify your camera's lens thread size. This wide-angle lens is specifically designed for 52mm lenses only. The size is usually marked on the lens barrel. What we like. This lens attachment expands your field of view, perfect for capturing stunning landscapes or group shots. It also features a detachable macro lens, allowing you to capture incredibly detailed close-up shots. If you're looking to enhance your photography with both wide-angle and macro capabilities, this is a great choice. What people say. Honestly, very impressed with the results. It gave my different zoom levels way more focus ability and better. Very impressed with the macro lens, exactly what I was looking for to add to my tool set. It's heavy. And I mean that in a good way. It's absolutely solid. Metal housing, quality glass on both the macro and wide-angle lenses, and a secure fit where they are threaded to each other, to the step-up ring, and to the camera. It comes with little extras that I had not been expecting: a rubber lens cover that press-fits securely to the front of the lens, and a vegan leather, PU, carry bag, both of which I will be using even though I didn't know I needed them. The front of this lens is a good 85mm across, which would be the main reason why this baby is so heavy. Number 4. Altura Photo Flash Diffuser Softbox 6x5. This softbox diffuser is designed for shoe mount flash units. It helps to soften the light and reduce harsh shadows, making your photos look more professional. The diffuser provides even lighting by reducing harshness and softening shadows. It also features an additional internal diffuser for better wraparound light. It's easy to use with an integrated hook and loop fastener strap that secures around the flash head. When not in use, it folds down flat for easy storage. This product is compatible with most shoe mount flash units, including Canon, Nikon, Sony, and Olympus. It's a versatile accessory for any photographer. The dimensions of this product are 6x5. It's a compact and effective tool for improving your photography. What we like. This softbox diffuser reduces harshness and softens shadows, creating more flattering light for your photos. Its simple design and universal fit make it incredibly easy to use with most speedlights. If you want to improve your portraits and event photography with softer, more professional-looking light, you should consider it. What people say. The camera is very easy to use. The kit lens is a great all-around lens. The image quality is excellent. Number 3. BESTON EN-EL14A battery and charger for Nikon cameras. Tired of running out of battery during important shots? This BESTON kit provides 2 high-capacity batteries, ensuring you capture every moment. It's the perfect solution for extended shooting sessions. Each battery boasts a true 1100 mAh capacity, offering up to 1700 shots. Built-in protection ensures the batteries are safe from overcharging and short circuits, providing peace of mind. The included charger features a micro USB input, allowing you to charge the batteries using various power sources. You can use wall chargers, power banks, or even your laptop for convenient charging. With a 5V2A input, the charger can fully recharge 2 batteries in just 2.5 hours. Each charging slot operates independently, so you can charge 1 or 2 batteries at a time. This kit is fully decoded and compatible with a wide range of Nikon cameras that use EN, EL14 and EN, EL14A batteries. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing equipment. The package includes two BESTON EN, EL14A batteries, a USB quick charger, a micro USB cable, and a convenient traveling storage case. Everything you need to keep your camera powered up. What we like. These batteries offer a high capacity, ensuring you can capture more photos without worrying about running out of power. The charger supports multiple charging methods, allowing you to charge them anywhere. If you are a frequent traveler or someone who shoots a lot, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. They work as well as the original batteries for my D3100. They charge quickly and hold a charge. They seem well constructed and fit the camera perfectly. Number 2. Altura Photo Camera Cleaning Kit. This kit from Altura Photo is designed for APS-C DSLR and mirrorless cameras. It includes everything you need to keep your lenses and sensors clean. This ensures your photos are always crystal clear. The kit includes a variety of tools. There are sensor swabs, lens cleaner, a carrying case, a lens cleaning pen, a brush, an air blower, and lens tissue paper. It has everything to keep your camera in top shape. The included swabs are designed to absorb and remove particles. They are specifically made for APS-C sensors. This helps to prevent any unwanted spots or smudges in your images. The lens cleaning fluid uses an all-natural formula. It's designed to clean without leaving streaks or blemishes. It's safe for all electronics, coated lenses, and sensors. The kit comes with a hard carrying case. This case stores and protects all the essential tools. This makes it easy to take the kit with you wherever you go. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to keep your camera sensor and lenses clean and in top condition. The all-natural cleaning solution is safe for all electronics. If you want to maintain the quality of your images and extend the life of your equipment, this kit is essential. What people say. The cleaning fiber brush has extremely soft bristles. Each item in the kit is in its own clean bag, all inside the carry case. I bought this to clean the sensor in my camera and it worked perfectly. Number 1. Altura Photo Camera Sling Bag. This camera bag is perfect for photographers. It has adjustable padded dividers in the main compartment. It can hold DSLR cameras with a standard zoom lens, making it a great gift. The main compartment has a convenient zippered side opening. This allows quick access to your camera and other gear. It makes it easy to grab what you need when you need it. This camera backpack is designed for both women and men. The padded sling strap rotates to the front. This allows for quick access to your gear. The top compartment can fit extra lenses or flash units. It also has exterior tripod monopod holder. There are zippered mesh pockets in both compartments. This sling bag is a great choice for photographers. It's designed to be comfortable and provide easy access to your equipment. It's a reliable companion for any photography adventure. What we like. This sling bag features adjustable padded dividers to protect your gear and a quick access side opening. The comfortable sling design allows for easy access to your camera. If you are looking for a convenient and comfortable way to carry your camera and accessories, this bag is perfect for you. What people say. Slinging it over my shoulder is easier for me to put on, and I love it that you can pull it around the front of you and get into the main pocket with the camera in it. I can fit my Canon T5i with the 18 to 55mm lens on it and both the 300mm and 250mm lens in with the camera. It has plenty of room for a camera body plus a couple extra lenses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.